Here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. This is much easier to cut than the knobby material. In a lot of cases the bands or the colour bars are quite flat and you can easily cut stones out of it. I'll zoom in. Okay, I'll just move the parcel around so you can see. You can see some of the colours coming through there. Rules in millimetres. I haven't moved the stones in relation to the rules, so you can go back to the beginning to refer to the pieces that are further distance away. There's a little colour bar, a nice one on the end there coming through. Mostly blues unfortunately, but it's good stuff to practice and you'll get some good gemstones out of this, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'll just randomly pick some up. This piece of crystal. See. Some of it is a little bit pockety. Piece of crystal. It's a little darker piece. If I can get it in camera to focus for you. It's only thin but quite bright. Anyway, it gives you an idea.